Repeat after me. Please don't squeeze the Charmin.
Please don't squeeze the Charmin.
Once again.
Once again.
Please.
Please don't squeeze the Charmin.
There. That ought to keep them from squeezing new Charmin bathroom tissue.
Please don't squeeze the... Please don't squeeze the Charmin. Hiya there, cutie.
I just love this new Charmin. It's so squeezably soft.
Well, how about a kiss, baby?
And that gentle fragrance. I can't resist it either. Well, and the price is gentle, too.
Ladies, please don't squeeze new Charmin. Fine job you did.
Uh-oh.
Can't really blame him, though. So squeezably soft, I can't resist it myself.
Please don't squeeze the Charmin.
New squeezably soft Charmin bathroom tissue from Procter & Gamble.